This one was the Brian Eno charity of Percent. It's a climate change battle with the musicians side, and we did the whole campaign. Because the musicians involved were from Coldplay to a lot more like different genres in music, I didn't want to stop using one type. I wanted to use different letters to be able to reach all the music genres audience. So I tried to combine different styles all together. It's okay to be upset with a billboard that was done for the pandemic, when the streets of London were full of people walking around but no cars. We wanted to create messages and put them in billboards that were not used commercially to remind everyone that, you know, we're going to be fine. And No Music on a Dead Planet is another charity that we work with. And this, my type of revolution is a design that I did for the exhibition that I was talking to you about, and he made it into a lazy-off piece for an initiative called Do Good Art Club. Every piece that we sold, which we sold out 3 times, all the profit went to Endometriosis UK, which is an amazing charity that helped me personally as well with my health. So I make a lot of space for these kind of things to happen because they both grow myself as a person and myself as a creative. And it's important for me to find this space. Another aspect of expression is a personal expression, which I was just talking to you about now. So our own emotion will always be influencing our way of working with type and everything else in life. It's happening from the first minute you come out with an idea